lost in the wild, or just lost? Grab the waterproof survival kit that's got your back. What would you do if disaster struck in the middle of nowhere? Imagine facing a twisted ankle on a remote trail or a sudden storm that soaks everything in sight. That's where the Surviveware Waterproof Premium Survival First Aid Kit steps in, your personal lifeline when nature throws curveballs. With 184 medical-grade supplies, it's built to patch up wounds, calm chaos, and keep you moving. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for life's unexpected turns, this kit ensures you're never caught off guard. Ready to conquer emergencies? Let's unpack the ultimate survival solution. Panicked searches through messy gear are history. This kit's labeled compartments act like a personal EMT assistant, pointing you straight to what you need. From antiseptic wipes to a removable CPR mask, every item has its place, so you can treat injuries fast, no scrambling required. Designed by adventurers who know emergencies don't wait, it's built for speed and clarity. In the heat of a crisis, you'll feel calm and in control, ready to handle anything from burns to bites. Think of it as your pocket-sized emergency response team. Rain, rivers, and rough terrain? No sweat. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and durable zippers, this kit doesn't flinch at wet conditions. Built from 600D TPU material, it's tough enough to handle scrapes, spills, and even full submersion. Whether you're rafting through rapids or braving a torrential downpour, it keeps your supplies bone dry. Lightweight yet rugged, it's designed to clip onto backpacks, belts, and bikes, ready to follow wherever your adventures take you. Survive the storm without losing your gear or your cool. Is it practical? Absolutely. This first aid kit is HSA, FSA eligible, giving you a budget-friendly safety net for emergencies. Compact yet packed with supplies, it saves time, money, and stress. MOLLE compatible straps make it easy to carry, and FDA registration guarantees medical-grade reliability. Whether you're prepping for a road trip, setting up camp, or heading into the backcountry, this kit's got your back. Safety doesn't have to break the bank, and this kit proves it. Preparedness isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, and the Surviveware Waterproof Survival First Aid Kit makes it simple. Durable, organized, and waterproof, it turns emergencies into manageable moments. From weekend warriors to full-time adventurers, it's the gear you hope to never need but can't afford to go without. Don't let what if catch you unprepared. Grab your kit today and carry confidence wherever life takes you.